Why are you so melancholy? Did they run out of watermelons at the grocery store? Hi, I'm Tracy Lockwood Beckerman. I'm a registered dietitian in New York City, and it's my job to help you figure out what to eat and why. On today's episode, we're talking about one of my favorite summer fruits, the watermelon. To know when it's ready, it should sound really hollow, and it should be slightly soft on top. Besides being a delicious, refreshing fruit, watermelons also have some serious health benefits, DIY uses, and are great in some unexpected recipes. Keep watching to see why I think they're one in a melon. She's a beauty. 2 cups of watermelon, the standard serving size, can get you a lot. Watermelon has fiber, which helps with bloating, and potassium, which is found inside every single cell in your body and is necessary for water balance. That means hydration, baby. Watermelon shadily contains iron, which helps to keep energy high, so you can stay up to capture those breathtaking sunsets from the beach on your IG stories. A serving of watermelon has more than double the amount of vitamin C than high vitamin C fruits like citrus, so pesky summer colds have no chance against watermelon. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant with so many health perks, is basically spewing out of watermelon, making watermelon a lycopene leader. It contains higher levels of lycopene than any other fresh fruit or vegetable. Plus, if you're feeling tired, watermelon is an awesome pick-me-up due to its carb content. And I can't forget to share that watermelon contains 92% water, duh, so it is ideal to quench your thirst. But don't forget, drink actual water too. Although we need more research on the benefits of watermelon for humans, some studies suggest that thanks to the high content of bioavailable lycopene, consuming a moderate amount of watermelon may reduce the risk for developing cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and can even help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. What a melon! In more promising research, a 2015 study conducted on rats determined that the rats eating watermelon versus the control group developed lower levels of C-reactive protein, which is a marker for inflammation, as well as comparatively less oxidative stress. As we know from every trendy anti-inflammatory smoothie recipe on the gram, lowering inflammation and oxidative stress are key to overall health and fighting disease. For more day-to-day use, watermelon is being studied as a post-exercise beverage to reduce muscle soreness. 1, 2. Watermelon obviously has a ton of health bennies, but here are just a few caveats to keep in mind. Although very rare, eating a large quantity of watermelon can cause water intoxication or overhydration thanks to the high levels of water in watermelon. So make sure you don't overdo it. No. Also, look out for tummy trouble. Due to its high lycopene and vitamin C content, eating too much watermelon can result in diarrhea, indigestion, and bloating. Otherwise, with the correct serving size, watermelon is Tracy approved. Here are ways to use up all that watermelon besides just eating it by the slice or cube. For the perfect sweet and salty snack that will satisfy any summer craving, add feta to a bowl of sliced watermelon with a sprinkle of seasoning and a few torn pieces of mint to keep you freshy fresh. Watermelon cocktails can be refreshing. Just add some hydrating watermelon juice to your alcoholic drink of choice. Why can't you hydrate to dehydrate? Talk about efficiency. Whether you're sipping or eating your watermelon this summer, you can know that you're adding some serious health benefits to your diet. So look at all of the uniform stripes. That means you've picked a good one. It's a great and delicious way to stay hydrated from the inside out. So what are you waiting for? As you're planning your end of summer parties, barbecues, and beach trips, consider adding watermelon to the menu. You and your health won't be disappointed. See you next time for another episode of You vs. Food. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel for some more episodes of You vs. Food. Hey you're one in a melon. Get it? Melon? Melon?